Yeah? No, Tucker. Jesus.
I want
He's so cute.
I'm not gonna let you do this.
Nein, Karel, nein!
Got mad at me for scaring the pigeons away.
Lola niya pagod na.
Oh my god, Arlo. Arlo. Oh my gosh.
Chicken. Hi, Mr. Chicken.
Give me a woo.
Can I help you? Can I help you? Hey, you can't come in, you can't come.
My cat likes to sit with us during dinner, so we just put on movies for him to watch while we eat.
So you've got a magnificent pair of bananas. Oh, great heavens!
Laying down in bed, she has to come up and do that before she goes to sleep.
That is odd.
Hilarious. What is she doing?
She's taking care of me.
She's cleaning his beard.
I don't.
He's an emotional support cat, but his idea of emotional support is biting me when I'm sad. He just bites me when I'm trying to mope. Look at, there he goes! The criminal!
No, Munchie! Munchie! Munchie, come on. Come on, Munch. Munchie, leave him. Drop him. Let's go home. Wait! Hang on! Stop! You don't want to do this! Listen, I've been a good boy! I've been a good boy! Please! I've been such a good boy! Don't do it! No!
Hey, Bear. You want to go Starbucks? Where's your teefies? You want to go Starbucks? Where's your teefies?
They say you can give your dog an egg, and they know to be gentle with it.